You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this verb. I know many people mispronounce it or at least struggle with it, so let's break it down. How to pronounce it? Rap. Yes, just like, rap music. Have you heard of rap music? R-A-P. That's the phonetic spelling that I wrote on your screen at your bottom. Rap. Essentially, the W is not pronounced. You don't say rap, rap. No, just rap. I mean, the W sound, the R sound is already included in the R sound. So, English pronunciation, how to pronounce rap. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.